This is a 2000 laser welder. This is a dual feeder. This is a gun and how it look like. It's a 2-wire. And the wire go through from the weld feeder machine and through the laser welder system. Now come to like this. Now let's turn on the laser welder. For the speed, we can change to 40. Try how it works. And also you can choose language into English or any other language. There are totally 10 languages in this system. And for the laser welder, for 1/4" aluminum, we should use 95% power. 95. This one it goes to 80. The variable frequency will go to 80, and the variable amplitude will go to 4.5. Okay, power 95%, variable frequency 80, variable amplitude in 4.5, and speed we use 40 for the first trap. Two spools of aluminum. Here we have 4 pieces of aluminum sheet, and these two a little bit thin. It's less than 1/4". And these two we have 1/4". You can see the thicker difference. This one less than 1/4". This one 1/4". It's aluminum. And firstly we do the demo for this one, for the thin one. Let's see how it works for the 2000 watts laser welder with a dual feeder. Sorry, I use a glove. Okay, here we go. I've got to turn on the laser. Now the laser is on. Let's try this one, less than 1/4" aluminum. It looks nice. And the penetration is good. But this thickness is a little bit thin than 1/4 inch. Now let's try the 1/4 inch thickness. This one is a 1/4 inch aluminum. See, this part is quite strong. It's 1/4 inch. This part is thin enough. I think it's quite good. 1/4 inch. This one less than 1/4 inch. Can't see the difference. It's technical difference, but both of them is very good. See here. Whew. Can see that it's quite clean. Let's try the other side of this one, less than 1/4 inch. And maybe not so good because this part we just welded, there is a lot of heat in this side. Let's try how it works. Yeah, it's good. You can see this part is quite good. See this part from this angle and this side. I suggest for the thickness of aluminum material around 1/4 inch, you should weld both sides, this side and this side, to make sure it strengthens enough. Now let's try the both 1/4 inch, see how it works. It is very good, see? It's very heat. We'll try the next parts. Now you can see the detail here. This one 1/4 inch, this side from this angle, this side from this angle. Quarter inch aluminum. This one less than 1/4 inch aluminum. It's well, it is very good. See this part? Okay, the 2 rolls of aluminum and 2000 watts laser welder. Let's say speed. Speed we use 40, and the power we use 95%, and the variable frequency we use 80, and variable amplitude we use 4.5 for the dual feeder. Now we check the thickness of this aluminum sheet. See, it's 1/4 inch, and this one is smaller. See, you can see it's not 1/4 inch, a little bit thin, but both of them is welded very well. This one 1/4 inch. Okay, left to right. This one is thinner than 1/4 inch. Let's check the welding performance again. The thickness. Let's double check this one. I think for the during the working, the welder can use 100 for the variable frequency, so this part can looks much better, and the power should be 95%.